This one is nice and kinky.
Stretch your stuff, walk it out, do a little twist, on and do it right now. 'Cause it's your day, it's a good day, it's a good.
Hey, what's up everyone? It is Thais here. So I am back again with another headband wig tutorial because I am so obsessed with them. So this video is sponsored by Curlscurls, so I will be giving you guys a demo and review on their headband wig. So I have been loving Curlscurls for the past year now. I use their clip-ins, so I'm so happy to see that they launched a headband wig, so you know I had to try it. So this is their Afro Kinky 12-inch headband wig, and this headband wig is so different, guys, because it actually has a bang. So that is a game changer. So in the box also comes a instruction manual on how to take care of the hair, what to use to wash it, and how to install it. And then they also put a few headbands and head scarves in there so that you can choose between which ones you want to use for the day depending on your mood or outfit. So I will leave the link to this hair down below so that you can check it out after you watch this video. So this is how the headband wig looks. So it comes with the strap in the back where you can tie it to your head, and this is the bang in the front, guys, so it's shorter than the rest of the hair so that it doesn't fall too long over your face. And I was so excited when I seen they had one with the bang. So I'm starting by making sure that I wash the hair with a gentle shampoo first, and then I follow up with a conditioner just to soften and hydrate the hair so that it looks really nice when I put it on. And after rinsing out the conditioner, I just apply some leave-ins, a bit of oil, and then I allow it to air dry overnight. And I only finger fluffed it. So this is the very next day, and I still have in my wash day twist. So I just cover my hair with a stocking cap first before I put on my headband wig. Okay, so I just put on my stocking cap and I'm getting ready to apply my new headband wig. So this one is so different, guys, because this one comes with a bang. So it's not just a regular headband wig where you have to worry about doing your edges or, you know, sleeking down the front of your hair and having it exposed. So the edges won't be exposed in this. With the headband wig, there is no lace, no cutting, no glue. You just throw it on your head and go. So I was so excited by my last headband wig that I had to try this one too, especially since I have bangs, since it's a bit different. So this is the kinky curly texture. So this hair texture is meant to be more similar to 4B/4C natural hair texture. And it feels very soft since I washed it, and the curls look more hydrated and shiny right here, as you can see. So this headband wig is easy to put on, guys. You just open up the strap and then you line that headband up with your hairline. Make sure that the bang is hanging over your face to your liking, and you bring it down. So with this one, you don't have to allow your edges to be exposed. You can if you want to, but I prefer to not allow them to be exposed. So after you put that headband over your hair, there's a hook in the back, and you take that hook and you just hook it upwards so that it can be nice and secure in the back, so it has a double layer of protection of staying on your head. And then you take that strap in the back and then you snap it across each other, so it is a Velcro strap in the back. So at this point, I'm already falling in love. I knew I would have loved the one with the bangs too, so it is so gorgeous. So now it's time to put on my headband of choice. So today I'm going with this color since it matches my shirt well. So this headband is very easy to apply. You just open it up and then you put it over the wig, and then you line it up with the black part of the wig so that you can cover it up. So you should also know that Curlscurls hair is a lot more affordable compared to other brands, being that they sell directly to customers from the factory. So there's no middleman. That's what I love about them. And I also love the texture. Oh my goodness, the texture looks so natural. As you can see, it doesn't look wiggy, and that's because their curls comes directly from the roots to the ends, and they do such a great job curling it to give it that nice natural 4B look. I know you guys can see this does not look like a wig at all. It literally looks like this is growing out of my hair. It can definitely pass as that. Okay, so I just decided to trim a little bit of the bang. It was a little bit too long, not too much. I just want it to look a bit more uniform, so I'm just slightly trimming it. And this is the end result. This is how the hair looks, like this, in this style. So the thing I love about this one, you don't have to worry about laying down the edges or anything like that. So this one is like a real, just throw on the head and run out the house. You don't even have to brush up your edges or anything. So it's really nice. I love it. It feels amazing. It looks cute. So I can also bring this up for a different look. Okay, so you can also wear it up like this. I think I prefer it this way versus being down. It looks a lot cuter. So this is the look I was actually going for, which is why I went with the 14 inches. So it finally fit my vision of what I was looking for. I was a bit confused at first. I was like, oh my goodness, it don't look as short as it should be, because I wanted to go for this high puff and bang look. So it's really cute. I love the hair. Oh my goodness, it's such a good quality. I love the bangs. I love that I don't have to worry about doing my edges with the bangs, you know, because the bangs cover up, and then you just allow the head wrap to cover the edges for that look. So yeah, that's a nice touch to it, but it's really cute, guys. So this hair texture more resembles 4B texture. I was hoping more for a 4C look, but yeah, it's cute. It's close enough, you know. They got really close. It's a nice kinky 4B look. I think the last one I had was more like 4A in texture. So oh my goodness, I've been really loving my headband wigs. So I'm so happy to add a new texture and style and length to my collection in addition to the last one. They're just so convenient for me to just put on and go. I don't have to worry about cutting lace, gluing my hair, and doing all of that extra unnecessary steps when it comes to wearing a wig. So yeah, like I said, the headband wig is so revolutionary. I absolutely love this product, and I'm looking forward to getting even more textures. I think my next one will probably be more of like a wavy or straight texture. So this one is really great quality, especially from Curlscurls. They are known to have superior quality hair. You know, I've been using them since I had my clip-ins. So I also have their clip-ins, and their clip-ins are like one of the top quality clip-ins that I ever owned. So I'm happy to see that they came out with a headband wig, and the quality of the hair on this headband wig definitely match the quality I experience with their clip-ins. So it's a great brand, and the product is good. Like, look at this headband wig. It is so cute. I like the bangs. I was thinking the bangs should be shorter, but I actually like this look. I like the little long look where you can't see my eyebrows. I feel like it won't look right if you can see your eyebrows. I like bangs when it actually covers up the eyebrows. Okay, so that sums up my review on this headband wig. Thank you all so much for watching. Let me know if you guys are going to try one. Have you even tried a headband wig yet? So I will leave all of the information down below to the Curlscurls website, as long as a coupon code you can use, which is Thais, to save $5 on your headband wig or any other thing you purchase in their store. Thank you all so much for watching. Give this video a rating and subscribe for weekly videos. Bye bye.
It's a good day. It's a good day. You gotta find peace today. Get out your own way. Mind over matter. Matter of fact, you gotta treasure what's inside of you.